So the things that you need is a template of a deer. Just go on the internet on Google and just type deer template head, and it's just like that, and I've just cut it out. And this is on an A4 piece of paper. A piece of wood. This is 12 millimeters thick, but it's up to you, it doesn't have to be really thick. Black wool, black string, white paint, scrap piece of paper, a paintbrush, some panel pins, and these are 15 millimeters, a tweezer, and a hammer. So I've just got my piece of wood and my paintbrush, and I'm just going to paint it. It's optional, you don't have to paint it, but I just like to paint the colour white and do my strings black. But obviously it's up to you, you can do whatever colour paint on here and whatever colour string you want. But this just goes with the house theme. Okay, so now we've painted it and it's dry, we've just got our deer head, and we're going to simply get our nails, and as you can see, this is how I'm placing it on the tweezer. Just so you don't bang your fingers on it, you put it on there, hit it onto the wood. Once on the wood, leave the tweezer and then bang it a bit more. So let's start to find the middle. It is quite easier once you do have one or two down.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No. So
Okay, so after doing that, this is what you should have. As you can see, like that. We're just gonna take it off just really gently.
oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
And now we're just gonna get our thread, and I've just chose black for this, and we're just gonna do a small knot right at the bottom of here. And then we're just going to go around the pins. And I would recommend you have a thick thread, as this is very thin and it can just snap, and obviously when it snaps then everything just comes apart.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, so you can go ahead and leave like that, or I'm just going to show you the next technique that I'm going to be doing. But this is what we have, so you can leave like this if you want. And these are the strings and so on. And this is just lining out the outer corners of the deer head. And if not, you could just string all around it and cover the whole thing with string.
I'm coming home.